outside, so it is soluble in water. Okay. As to the structure, ang atong fibrous, secondary structure. Ang atom, globular. We cannot have globular without tertiary and quaternary. Although within it has also secondary. You cannot have tertiary without secondary. Okay. And in terms of structure, you have fibrous protein structural function. Ang atom globular is more on metabolic functions, no hormones, so on and so forth. In terms of diversity, mas daghan mag-function ang atom globular. So they have more function, diverse function compared to fibrous. Fibrous is structural naman. Okay? And but in terms sa kabukaton collectively, bugat atong bones, bugat atong teeth, so on, ba? Isa gamay sila na klase, but collectively, bugat sila. Kumpara sa